The human tongue is one of the most fascinating and complex organs in the body. It's a muscular organ and is located in the mouth and is responsible for a wide range of functions including tasting, speaking and swallowing. The tongue is made up of a combination of muscles, nerves and taste buds. It's covered in small finger-like projections called papillae, which contain thousands of taste buds. These taste buds are responsible for allowing us to experience the 5 basic tastes: sweet, salty, sour, bitter and savoury. In addition to its taste buds, the tongue is also important for speech. The muscles of the tongue work together with the lips, teeth and other organs in the mouth to create a wide range of sounds. Without the tongue, speech would not be possible. It's also important for chewing and swallowing food. As we chew our food, the tongue moves around in the mouth and mixes it up with saliva, which helps break the food down and makes it easier to swallow. Once the food is ready to be swallowed, the tongue helps push it to the back of the throat and into the esophagus. Despite its small size, the tongue is an incredibly versatile and important organ. It's responsible for so many of the things that we take for granted in our daily lives, from tasting food to communicating with others. However, like many other parts of the body, the tongue can also be vulnerable to disease and injury. Some common conditions that can affect the tongue include infections, inflammation and cancer. It is important to seek medical attention if you notice any unusual changes in your tongue, such as swelling, pain or discoloration.